Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install PostgreSQL and pgadmin on Windows machine. Alright, so let's get started. So first go to postgresql.org, download and Windows. Once you get there, it will take you to this page and you can just click on this download the installer. And once you click in here, click on the one that's for the Windows. I'm just going to click in here. It will take me to this page and starts downloading the file that we require for installation. Once it's done, you can just click on this one and start the installation process. Just click next. There are several options, several extensions, but you can just click next for this one as well. Again, you can click next. And you can select the PostgreSQL 14, the one that I have, and then click next on that one. So there are several add-ons here, so you can select whatever you want based on your requirement. And one is if you want for anything for the GIS extension, you can click in here and then get the extension from there. Once you're done, you can just click next for the next process. It should be quick. And click on finished and I agree. Next, and once it's done, it will be closed. Now here Postgres GIS bundle and some other extension, so I'm just gonna click no here for now. If you want any of this, like something called GL data and all of these, if you need it, you can click yes, but we don't need it now, and then finish. Now it's done. Once it's done, I think it's successfully installed, and you can check it from here. Like you can just type in pgadmin or you can get it from here. Let's launch the pgadmin. It's ready. Click on the servers, and there are two databases right now, PostgreSQL 14, and provide the password. If this is your first time, then it's gonna ask you to provide new password for that, and you have to enter that. All right, that's all for now. I hope you successfully installed this on Windows machine. Again, I would like to mention that for Mac users, please refer to my previous video where I have explained the steps that are required to install pgadmin as well as PostgreSQL on Mac machine. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Happy learning.